So, students, trigonometry continuation. Open your textbooks. This is 11th chapter. Trigonometry is our 11th chapter in our textbook, and now we are in 11.4 exercise. That is the last exercise, and ninth question, ninth problem. This is exercise 11.4, 296 page number. So write the ninth question, that is important problem. Ninth question. Ninth. If I am writing the question, you write from the textbooks. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? You write in full. I am not writing the full question. What is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? Simple. It is a bit. It is not a big problem. It is only a small, maybe 1 mark question, like objective type. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Then what is secant theta minus tan theta? See here. Solution. Given. What is given? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. This is given. Secant theta is plus tan theta is equal to P is given. What is secant theta minus tan theta? How to find that value? Observe carefully. I am using the help of identity. What is the identity in secant and tan? Identity in secant and tan. I am using the identity in secant and tan. So, using the identity. What is the identity? We have three identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. First identity. Secant square theta minus tan square is equal to tan square theta is equal to 1. Second identity. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Third identity. We have three identities. So now I am using the identity in secant and tan, because the problem is in terms of secant and tan, means we have to see the search for the formulas in secant and tan. What is the formula? What is the identity? Secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the formula, identity. This is the formula. I derived that formula also, and many problems we are using this. Because we are at the end of the chapter, so you should be familiar with this. You should know all these formulas. So what is secant square minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the formula. Just formula I wrote, that's all. I wrote the formula. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. This is given, leave it. Just I wrote a formula. Formula in secant and tan. There is a formula in secant and tan. Secant square minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the formula. And because this is also called identity, because it is true for all the values, so we also call it as an identity. You can call it as a formula or identity. So generally we call it as an identity. So secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. A square minus b square. What are the factors of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. You know this. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This formula, the factors. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. secant theta plus tan theta is given as P. This is given as P. This is given as P. This I am writing same. So then secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P that side, 1 by P. See, this is the formula, not related with the formula problem. I wrote a formula here. I wrote the identity. I want to use the relation between secant and tan. The only formula I know for secant, relation between secant and tan is secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. This formula we know, and I derived it also. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Secant theta plus tan theta is P. This is P. It is given from 1. It is given. So I want this value. Take P to the right side. It is in multiplication. It will be in the denominator. 1 by P. What is secant minus tan theta? 1 by P. The question is, find secant theta minus tan theta. So what is the answer? 1 by P. That's right. Followed or not? Then after completing it, write the next question. Students, understood or not? Tenth problem. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to K, then prove that this is the question right now. It is not clear. Okay, so I will check the video. So first let me complete this problem. So this is the last problem in the exercise, and this is very important problem. And even because this is very important problem, I will solve one more problem on the same model so that you will get a clear idea. So I will change the ratios, and a similar problem, one more problem I will solve. First you try to look at the process, don't write anything. After getting this proof only, then you write. Don't write anything. Don't write. See here. Solution. Given. Don't write. It is similar to the previous 9th question. Up to some extent it is same. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. This is given. It is given in the problem. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. It is given. Don't write. Now, I am using the formula for cosecant and cot. We know the identity. What is the identity? According to identity. What is the identity? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. Formula. See the identities. 3 identities I told, and even I derived those identities also. Now just giving the formula. So how the formula came also I derived it. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. Identity we derived. Now don't write. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. See here. This is given. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 is given. Leave it. Just I am using the identity. The formula between cosecant cot is cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. Using according to the identity formulas. This is the formula. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Now, cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. This is k. Same like previous problem. Just now we completed, no? Cosecant theta plus cot theta is k according to the equation 1. Then, same like the previous problem, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k right side. It will be in the denominator. Up to here we completed in the last previous problem. But it was in secant and tan. But same process. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, that is given. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1 is the identity. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1 is the identity. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. K to the right side 1 by k. Now don't write, because this is little confusing problem. Because you have to remember the steps also. First you have to remember this, and after that up to here you can do. After that you have to remember one more step. See here. I am adding 192. I am adding 192. Add and subtract. Two things we have to do. So first let me subtract. I am subtracting. 1 minus 2. See here. Don't write. Cosecant theta plus cot theta minus cosecant theta minus cot theta. I am subtracting. So right side, this is k minus 1 by k. I am subtracting 1 minus 2. Cosecant theta plus cot theta minus cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. Subtraction. Now, cosecant minus cosecant cancel. Minus into minus plus cot theta. So, cot theta plus cot theta, 2 cot theta. See here. cosecant theta plus cot theta minus cosecant theta minus into minus plus cot theta. Right side k LCM k square minus 1. So this is cancel. 2 cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k. This is another third equation. Remember this. This is given. This we prepared already. We solved in the previous problem. Same procedure using the identity a plus b into a minus b. This is k that side 1 by k. Next, you have to remember this step. If you don't get this idea, we can't do. So 1 minus 2. This minus this. Cosecant theta plus cot theta minus cosecant theta minus cot theta. Right side k minus 1 by k. K LCM k into k square minus 1 by k. So here open the brackets, minus cosecant theta minus into minus plus cot theta 2 cot theta like this. Now what you do? Adding 1 and 2. Add. Now I subtracted. Now add. Add. First one. Cosecant theta plus cot theta plus second one. See here. Second. Cosecant theta minus cot theta. Adding 1 and 2, right side it is k plus, this is 1 by k. Adding 1 and 2, this plus this. See, this is 1, this is 2. So, I am adding 1 and 2. This is written here and this is written here. Right side, k plus, what is this? 1 by k. So, plus cot theta minus cot theta cancel. Cosecant 2 cosecant theta is equal to k LCM k square plus 1. This is the fourth equation. Plus cot theta minus cot theta cancel. Cosecant instead of here I will write here. Cosecant plus cosecant is 2 cosecant. Cosecant theta plus cosecant theta is 2 cosecant theta plus cot minus cot cancel. Right side is k LCM k square plus 1 by k. This is the new equation, fourth. Now, one more step you have to remember. Dividing this third equation by fourth equation. Dividing this third by fourth. Third. Don't write. What is third? 2 cot theta by fourth. 2 cosecant theta. Third by fourth. Right side, what is the third value? K square minus 1 by k by, what is the right side of this fourth? K square plus 1 by k. 2 cancel. Cot theta formula is cos theta by sin theta. Cot formula cos by sin. Cosecant formula 1 by sin. Cosecant formula 1 by sin and cot is equal to cos by sin. Right side k cancel. K square minus 1 numerator, k square plus 1 denominator. Sin cancel. What is the left remaining factor? Cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, which is the complete proof we got. So this is somewhat difficult problem and lengthy problem in the overall exercise. This is the last problem and almost all problems we completed, but this is somewhat difficult. You have to get the idea, not difficult, but some ideas you have to get. First idea is Using this identity, this idea you have to get cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. That is 1, you know the formula. Because the problem is in cosecant cot, we can easily get this idea. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1 identity I used. First step you have to get the idea. After that, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. Cosecant minus cot is equal to 1 by k. Up to here you will get. Second idea is sub 1 minus 2. This idea you have to get. 1 minus 2. Cosecant plus cot minus cosecant minus cot. K minus 1 by k. K LCM k square minus 1 by k. Here minus cosecant theta plus cosecant theta cancel. Cot minus into minus plus cot. Cot plus cot 2 cot. Third equation. One more idea. Third idea what you should get? 1 plus 2. Adding this 1 and 2. Cosecant plus cot plus cosecant minus cot. Right side k plus 1 by k. Minus cot theta plus cot theta cancel. Cosecant plus cosecant 2 cosecant is equal to k square plus 1 by k. This idea you have to get. Third idea. Fourth idea is divide this answer by this answer. First 2 cot theta in the numerator, 2 cosecant theta in the denominator. Third by 4. What is third? 2 cot theta. What is fourth? 2 cosecant theta. What is the right side of third? K square minus 1 by k. Right side of fourth, k square plus 1 by k. So k cancel, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Left side 2 cancel. Cot theta is equal to formula cos theta by sin theta. See the formulas list. Cosecant theta formula is 1 by sin theta. Sin cancel. Cos theta is equal to this. So see the proof. Exactly complete we got. Left side, right side, everything we got. So write very slowly by understanding each and every step you write down. And again I will explain because this is the last problem. So each and every step, don't copy hurriedly. So one step you understand, you write. Again understand, you write. Write like that, slowly you write, understanding each and every step. So again after copying it, then again I will explain. Just copy it by understanding each and every step. Just don't copy as it is. By understanding why this step came. After this, why this step came, why this step came, why this step came, why we wrote here. And what happened here, what happened here, what happened here. Like that each and every step you just do analysis and write down. Okay, I will explain because there was some disturbance. I will explain. You just write down each and every step very slowly, understanding each and every step. You understand and write down. I will explain. You copy this problem. Once again I will explain because I think there is some disturbance in the net. Students, once again I will solve this problem because there is some disturbance in the net. This is our question. I will explain once again. See, once again I am solving this problem because this is important, very important problem and a difficult problem also. You have to get so many ideas. Just like that we can't solve. You have to remember few things. So see here, solution. Don't write. Given cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. This is given. I am naming it as first equation. It is given in the problem. It is given in the problem. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. That is given. Next, according to identity is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is the formula we know. This is the identity. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. Formula. I will write little bigger. According to the identity, see here, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This formula we know. This is the formula used. See, this is given, leave it, that is over, first equation. Like that we will get 4 equations. I am preparing 4 equations. That is given, I am naming it as 1. Now for the second, what steps I am writing, you just see. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. This is the formula. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. Why? It is a formula, identity. Why I am using it? Because the problem is in cosecant and cot. So there is one relation between them. I am using that relation. So next step, I am writing a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. That means cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. This I am writing same. Yes, this is the formula. You should not get doubt on this. This is the formula we know. Say a third identity. We derived this formula also. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. This is k given. So take k to the right side. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k, second equation. Now, after getting this, you have to get this idea. 1 minus 2. This equation minus this equation, that idea you have to get. You have to remember. Previously, so I explained when I already told you, in few problems, in many problems, just looking at the problem, we will get idea what to do, which formula we need to apply, how to proceed and how to get the proof. Directly we will get idea. In many problems it happened. But in some rare problems, you have to remember the step. That idea you have to remember. This 1 minus 2, that idea you have to remember. And again 1 plus 2. Two things you have to remember. So 1 minus 2. What is 1? What is 1? See, 1. 1 minus 2. This minus this. What is 1? Cosecant theta plus cot theta minus 1 minus 2. 2 is this. Cosecant theta minus cot theta. 1 minus 2. Cosecant theta plus cot theta minus cosecant theta minus cot theta. This step you have to remember. So what is the right side? K minus 1 by k. 1 minus 2. This step you have to remember. Now see here. Open the bracket. Minus cosecant theta minus into minus plus cot theta. Write one more step or I will write directly. So see here. Cosecant minus cosecant cancel. Minus into minus plus cot theta plus cot theta. 2 cot theta is equal to LCM is k. K into k, k square minus 1. This is the third equation. Just 1 minus 2. 1 is cosecant theta plus cot theta minus 2 is cosecant theta minus cot theta. K minus 1 by k. So cosecant cancel, minus into minus plus. Cot theta plus cot theta is 2 cot theta. Now one more idea you have to get. First equation plus second equation. Adding these two. Adding this and this. Previously I subtracted. Now I am adding. What is this? cosecant theta plus cot theta plus 1 plus 2. 2. See here. Adding. So what is the right side? K plus, what is the right side? 1 by k. Cot theta cancel now. Minus cot theta plus cot theta cancel. Cosecant plus cosecant is 2 cosecant. Cosecant plus cosecant is 2 cosecant is equal to K LCM. K LCM K square plus 1. This is the new equation, fourth. So like that we prepared the second equation. By adding these two we got the third equation. Subtracting that is subtracting we got the third. Adding we got the fourth. Now one more idea you have to get. What is that idea? Divide third equation by fourth equation. Third equation by fourth equation. Third equation is 2 cot theta. 2 cot theta, third equation. By fourth equation, 2 cosecant theta. Third equation 2 cot theta, fourth equation 2 cosecant theta. What is the right side? Third equation right side. K square minus 1 by k. Fourth equation right side. K square plus 1 by k. 2 cancel. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta formula. Cot is equal to cos by sin formula. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sin formula. K cancel. K cancel. What is the right side? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Sin cancel. Sin theta cancel. Cos theta by 1 is cos theta. Is equal to, what is the right side? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Exactly proved. Same proof we got. We have to get this, so we got it. So those who have not copied, any disturbance happened previously, so you write down it very neatly, understanding each and every step. Even if you have only written, just go through each and every step. First line, why? What is the reason? Why we got second step? Why we got the third step? Like that, each and every step, do the analysis. Once again, I will explain. Just write down. Do the analysis. One minus 2, 1 plus 2.